So as we enter the other part of the year, have now I say, make I give people one. How we call them? Is it secret or benefit or something to help you? To help you since we don't enter the half part of this year, be like secret or gifts. We could call them gifts. Yes, be like gift. Now, what I want give you be say, may you follow me or I go somewhere.
Oh yeah.
Remember this whole fuel matter now? People they truck well, Abi?
Yes.
Yeah, some people don't park their car for house.
Yes.
Meaning say your body go work well. Now, if you get phone for house, your phone start to malfunction. This phone don't spoil. What happen? You give it to repairer.
Yes.
If your car make one kind sound for inside motor, what they do this motor? You can't go mechanic, Abi. So what I want give you today now what go help your body, Make you check out your body to know say your body they fine. Now the very first one, now blood sugar.
Blood sugar.
Last week, as we finished program, somebody sent us message for WhatsApp, but we no fit respond. In saying blood sugar day about 300, abi 700.
Yes.
Very high. You can't they ask us what to make you do and say they lose weight. So in case you they listen to me now, I'd also talk to you that your blood sugar they very, very high. Carry yourself, go hospital. So the first test way go there for your list to do. Everybody, go check your blood sugar first. Go check out to know whether your blood sugar they okay. If it they okay, good. If it they high, we can continue. The next thing again where you go need to check for your body. But so we don't talk about BP too much. Leave BP. That one, you know that one.
Yes.
The next one now your blood. Your blood. What do they call full blood count? Full blood count or complete blood count. You go check them. Waiting that thing go tell you whether your blood they normal. It go tell you whether the thing where they fight infection, whether it they normal or it they low. It go tell you whether the thing will go make you lose blood for your body, whether it they normal or it they low. It go tell you many things about your blood.
Yes, sir.
Whether even small cancer cells don't they get scores for there, it go show you for your full blood count. I not talk PCV. Full blood count. PCV now just small inside your blood count. Full blood count. Good. The next thing where you go need to check again now your kidney. Some people kidney go spoil. They not go know. You go any small thing. You go see your leg go swell up small. Your eye go swell up small.
Yeah.
All those kind of things.
Yeah.
Your kidney feed they spoil. And you not go know. So what you make you do? Check your kidney. How? Number one, urinalysis. You go piss. They go check your piss.
Yes.
They go look. Another one, they go take your blood, electrolytes. Because your kidney, they come out electrolytes. So they go check them. Look them, whether it they okay for you. Another one again, now your liver. You where they take alcohol anyhow, where they chop nyama, agbo won't finish you, your liver they scatter, you don't know. Check your liver function test. Check. And they give you for free.
Update.
Liver function test. After you check your liver function test, if you want to go further, if you can check what they call fasting lipid, all those your cholesterol, your fats. We get the good one, we get the bad one. Make you also try. As you think to flex, keep this thing to check. Check that one. As you check that one, if you can't want to go front again, if you can do hepatitis check.
Wonderful.
Hepatitis B, hepatitis C. Check them. Then there's some people who want to check their hearts. If you also do ECG, those don't reach 40 and above, check do ECG. Also going to help your heart. If you check all these things and your body they okay, bye yo, enjoy your life, flex. We go just say something must kill a man. Even if nobody go live forever. If person won't die, person supposed to die peacefully.
Yes, no.
Nobody to die, suffer, head die. You understand? Yes. Make I give you some of these small secrets to help you as they enter the next part of the year, so that you go feel hustle well. Your body no go they break down. You go work out small. You go they breathe fast. People go they tell you say waiting they happen. You know they look fresh again. Your eye they white anyhow. I don't give you the secret.
So I say good morning, Dr. Fred. He say, I beg, which kind of things or food can we do or eat to keep our kidney and liver healthy? Sir, thank you. Roscoe from Ajasco Taolu. Just give them just a few.
So basically, make we talk waiting you no need to chop, so that that one easy for us. Waiting you no need to chop help your kidney. Leave alcohol, leave smoking, leave too much fast food, leave too much fried food, leave too much processed food. I use the word too much because They almost impossible to avoid them. But if you can, very good. So now these ones you go need to avoid. Leave all those. They take medicine anyhow. We doctor no give you. All those things go help your liver, go help your kidneys. Now this one, eat more fruit, vegetables, take more water, leave soft drinks, or reduce them as much as possible. These ones will help you.
Okay, this one said, okay, I don't do abdominal scan. I don't do chest and x-ray. He said, which is normal. They call the tete ulcer, which are they treat now. But I still they lose weight. Me, are they curious? What thing I feel do? Because this weight thing, why they lose, they pay me.
So they lose weight. Now something else they make you lose weight. I don't know who you see. You understand? I don't know who you see. But if not a doctor you see, to find out why. If everything they okay and they lose weight, maybe they will tell you make you eat more. You understand? So my advice to you again, if you see your doctor, go back, tell him make you prescribe some things to help you.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, for this one, and here we go to end them. He said, okay, since I small, I never sick, I never go hospital. Ever since I talked to you now, I be 44 years of age. I know they drink, I know they smoke.
Very good.
Should I still go and be doing all these tests?
Yes, so yes. Capital yes, because of time. As you dey increase for age, you remember the way your body day when you day 30 years, when you day 20, no be the same. The kind of work where you they do now, no be the same. Your body they change. So as your body they change, your liver, kidney, all those things they change. So just go there, check. If everything they fine, continue enjoying your life.
Okay.
Now so it be.
Good life now.
Good life now
sense. We go
sense.
continue.
95.1 Wazobia.